Hey guys, and welcome to another Let's Play video. Let me just turn that down. So, yeah, I do have some music right now, but, I'm using the other computer for the music because I can't use any other computer for the music, so let me just turn it up a little bit more. I'm gonna make it at 90, so, can you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm so sorry if you guys can't. But, yeah, we are playing AJ. It's super lagging right now, but, oh, by the way, I know this is fake, so, I remember the last time on my old YouTube channel that, people were like, no, don't trick them, but that one got deleted, so, I'm not tricking anyone, but guess who I am right now? You give up? I'm Mettaton from Undertale. Alright, can you guess this one then? You give up? It's Sans. Who's this one? Give up? It's Donald Trump. I hate him. No, seriously. He's the worst. He doesn't even know how to be a president. This is Undyne. Where's that collar? I need to put that collar back on. Yeah, I still have my owl because I cannot get rid of my owl because of this level. Look how high that level is. And I have the falcon because whenever I get up to the level that the owl is, I can get rid of the owl and then I can keep the falcon. So, yeah. By the way, I do have some thin betas. 2 tan carpets. These are not din betas, which I know because every single rare is not a din beta. These are kinda din betas. So you know this one's carpet. This is not. I don't know if this one is actually, but I know this one's not. I don't know if this one is. This one's not. And can you please tell me in the comments what is a Shadow Garden Rough? I would love to know. Because, it's just really questioning me. I mean, I look it up, and then I found one, and then it was on 2015, and someone's been trading bad longs for it, so I don't know what it's worth. If you guys can tell me in the comments down below, that would be wonderful. If you guys can tell me what it's worth. But right now, we're gonna go trade from the people. So, I'm Alan. Let's go into the fullest place. It's gonna take me a while to get there, though. What does it? No, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go to the earth. Wait a minute. Okay. Vaughn. By the way, I still have my friend request on. If you guys can go and buddy me. It doesn't really matter. But yeah. If you're a fan, you can just jamagram me saying, "Hey, I'm one of your subscribers or fan," and I'll buddy you. Just let me know if you're a fan or a subscriber. Just let me know and I'll buddy you. So, yeah. If you can do that, that'd be if you can tell me that, that'd be really great. So, yeah. So this is what I'm saying, and I'm gonna wait until someone trades me. I mean, I'm looking at these people's trade lists, and they look pretty cool. Not this one. It's not really good with din betas. But, yeah. I feel like moving right now. I feel like moving to a different place. Oh, yeah. Rest of lights. I'm gonna go to Coral Canyons. There it goes. Woohoo! I, really love to trade people. Trading is my thing. And if ever Animal Jam gets rid of my trading and gifting, I will be really upset because trading and gifting is my life. That would be really sad. I mean, like, yeah, this happened to me before, but that was on my old one. I haven't got any warnings after this, after that one got banned. But, yeah. So, it's really cool that I haven't got any warnings, because I can talk to you guys, and so, yeah. Really. You know, this bunny's trying to be a scammer. So, yeah. This bunny wants stuff. She's trying to scam me. I can tell because she's like, oh my gosh, you scammed! You declined! I mean, who says that? People that want stuff? Duh. You know that carpet is beta, and you probably know. I do know that. I do know that. Dang it. His gemograms are full. Just like every single time. Famous Jammers buddy, no, gemograms are absolutely full. So, yeah. It just gets annoying when people is not accepting them, or they're buddyless, or they're full. It's like every day. I do that, and then their thing's full, and then it's, like, their gem's full, they're not accepting, I know. It's gonna be Mary. Come on! Damn it, I hate this slow computer! Hello! I got someone. Silver. Nothing on trade. I mean, it gets so annoying when you click on someone and they have nothing on trade. It's like so annoying. And there's something that you really want off them. It's like, oh my god. And also, I really want a party hat because, I just want a party hat. I don't know why. I've had all the party hats before, but yeah, so, but I haven't had all the headdresses because I only had one. I'm really upset that I've never had any of the non-rare headdresses. I've only had like the rare headdresses, rare headdress, or aka the Monday headdress. But yeah, it's just really unfair for me because I can't get there. There'll be another video after this, don't worry. But yeah, someone genogrammed me. What for wood floor? They always ask this. And I always say, I don't know. Well, if you're not accepting, then no one. By the way, if there's no accepting, you can just go see Apari's video of the update. Or, you can see it right here. Look up. Look up. You see it? Yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, there will be another part of this. So, but the next part will be some trading and some playing the Eagle Adventure. This probably will be right after this one. So, yeah. Oh, sorry if it goes off. That means I've passed my time. But I'm super close to 15 minutes because that's my time. And hope you guys hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, bye.